Because Shenanigan, we're back in Universe Sandbox 2. Merry Christmas, season's greetings, and on the, not the eve of New Year's, but I wish you all a happy New Year, and hopefully it's full of all of your wishes and hopes and dreams. And yeah, I hope you've had a great season as well. Maybe you don't celebrate Christmas, but if you don't, hopefully your end of year wrap up was full of fun shenanigans as well. But we're back here, and let's just go to open, and let's open up the solar eclipse, which is always a good little start. Done. So today, poof, we're going to Snowball versus the Earth. So let's add, actually no, let's tools, let's launch. We'll keep it at that, and we'll go a random small moon. And let's go here, and let's mess with this. Let's mess it up. So snow, slow it down a little bit. Let's kind of mix it up and kind of make it mainly water, a bit of hydrogen in there as well. And we bring the mass down to let's bring it down to maybe 1.09. Poof. And kind of make it a bit of a bluey kind of thingy. Kind of bluey greeny appearance, majigger. Surface features. Ooh, never done that before. But let's go default. That's always good. So we have a pretty big snowball about to career into the Earth here, primarily water. But it's super chilly, minus 270, falling at 10 meters a second. So it's going to make things nice and hot anyway. So, snowy, I said OW, snowy Mac, snowball, incoming, boof. Kablooey. And it's going to hit somewhere in, hopefully, the Pacific. Maybe. Maybe. So let's speed things up here. Just a little. Don't know why I'm repeating words multiple times. But hey, it just is what it is. So, as I like to do, let's put on studio lighting. And never really messed around with these. Mass. Let's just put realistic. Here cometh the snowball of snowballs. Snowy Mac Snowball, that is. So, for those that do celebrate Christmas, let's get the conversation going. Did Santa come to you? Were you a good boy or a girl this year? And what are your New Year's resolutions coming into it? My daughter got a load of cool astronomy books. She's only 6, but she loves it. And actually, I must post, we got her a cool light for her bedroom, which is actually the solar system, and it rotates. And I must actually post a picture to YouTube about that, because I really love it. It just sparks the imagination for a kid. That is just priceless. So Snowy Mac Snowball. Oh, coming in. Probably around 12-13 kilometers per second. Here we go. Dun 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 dun. Now we're gonna have to. Ooh, look at all the water. Africa, South America. What I was just going to say there, you're going to use the powers of imagination for the snowball side of things. But material-wise, you know, water, hydrogen. Wow. That's very cool. I like it. So we've transported a lot of fluids to the Earth. So, with that addition of liquid, we're following up with impact forces followed by those liquids evaporating due to the heat. Loads of debris popping up here as well, and all that debris is popping back down. That's why we're seeing so many rings of explosions here, and you can see the water just disappearing just on the inside there, just about. It's almost hypnotic in a way. So I want to take the opportunity, it won't be my last video before the year's out, but I want to take the opportunity to thank you all for your support over 2017. Truly phenomenal, massive surprise to me, and it's just been a great roller coaster, and I've met so many awesome people along the way as well, so thank you very much. And yeah, that kind of, there's like chili and stuff like that. So let's speed up things here. Let's see what the recovery will be like. The water is fighting its way. Here's the east coast of America. How are we on temperature? Earth is 224 degrees Celsius. So, yeah, you'd be running to the oceans. So you can see the water just receding. But it'll come back though. Don't you worry. Wonder what the impact will be like. Snowball in space, it's going to be hard. And the atmosphere will only do so much upon its deceleration towards the Earth's surface. Africa and Europe. You can see all the different, the depths of the oceans and stuff like that. Oh, I think we have water coming back. I could just see it down there. Yeah, we can see it just around France, the Pacific. It's cooling up. Impact site is still hugely hot. So we have water come back. 133 degrees. A lot of Pacific islands in there. More than normal. So we're approaching 100 degrees. Let's speed things up here a little bit. Get the impact site is slowing down. We've gotten some cloud formations, which is good. The water's really come up. There's still a huge area to be occupied by water. But that temperature is bound to drop. So our land masses are kind of there. The outline is kind of there. But overall, you know, China, East Africa, west coast of America, well, that's a big impact there. So we're down to 20 degrees. Let's have a quick look here. We'll slow it down a bit. This is where our impact was. As you can see, America, Florida. Let's keep spinning. We can see the water still coming down. 12 degrees. We're going to go into ice territory. So cue Jack Frost. Water is almost occupied everywhere. America has been split into two. And now the world is a frozen tundra. Huge ice formation through America here, as you can see. So, giant snowball versus the Earth. Earth kind of wins long term, but it's a loose kind of win. Anyway, on that bombshell, but actually before I do, I always like to, especially this time of year, tools. Let's do a few little things like this. May not look like I'm doing anything, but trust me, I am. I was too fast. You missed it. You missed it. Okay. Let's see if it'll work this time. Fireworks. There we go. Happy Christmas. Happy New Year. Thanks for all the likes, shares, subscribes, and Patreon support, and chat donations, and GoFundMe, and everything in between. You folks are too cool for school. And I will see you in the next video. So take it easy. And goodbye. Wrap up was full of fun shenanigans as well, but we're back here, and let's just go to open, and let's open up the solar eclipse, which is always a good little start. Done. So today, poof, we're going to Snowball versus Greetings everyone, your local shenanigan. We're back in Universe Sandbox 2. Merry Christmas, season's greetings, and on the, not the eat this, let's mess it up. So snow, slow it down a little bit, let's kind of mix it up and kind of make it mainly water, a bit of hydrogen in there, the earth. So let's add, actually no, let's tools, let's launch. We'll keep it at that, and we'll go a random small moon, and let's go here, and let's mess with Eve of New Year's. But I wish you all a happy New Year, and hopefully it's full of all of your wishes and hopes and dreams. And yeah, I hope you've had a great season as well. Maybe you don't celebrate Christmas, but if you don't, hopefully your end of year